Another feature of monopolistic competition is there is fairly large number of sellers in the market. Yes, in monopolistic competition, there are fairly large number of sellers in the market. However, they are less than perfect competitive market. So they are large enough, but they are less than perfect competitive market. So each seller have a limited control in the market. Now, how each seller have a limited control in the market? Well, these sellers are having a limited control over the market because of patents, trademarks, copyrights. This all processes of patent, trademark, copyrights give them a feel of monopolistic. So each individual seller has its patent, copyrights, or trademark for his product. So it has a differentiation of his product compared to his competitor. So his product in a way is unique, just we see in case of monopolistic competition. So in monopolistic competition, we see that each product has a different features. As each product has different features, so the seller feels he is to an extent have a freedom of monopoly. However, when we see different sellers, each seller is selling a close substitute to each other. So there is also a sense of competition between different sellers. Okay, I'll give you an example of how the seller feels he is enjoying monopoly and yet facing a competition. Recently, I have bought Mahindra XUV. The salesman gave me the features. One of the feature I was attracted to, it has 7 airbags which no others product is selling. There are 17 inches alloy wheels and the list was little big. So I got convinced on features. So for Mahindra, his car is unique, so he's enjoying monopoly of such kind of features, but yet at the same time he is facing competition in the market through Hyundai, through Maruti and other players. So similar segment vehicles are also sold by other competitors. So they are not exact substitute, but they are close substitute to Mahindra XUV. Just like Hyundai Creta, you have Maruti Vitara Brezza, and the list goes on. So there are large number of sellers, but yet they get a feel of monopoly, yet facing the competition. So in nutshell summary, in case of monopolistic competition, there are fairly large number of sellers in the market, but not as big as perfect competition. So they are large, but not as big as perfect competition. So each seller have a limited control over the market. This control can be due to patent, trademarks, copyrights, sales procedures. So each seller creates product differentiation, which allows him to get a feel of monopoly. At the same time, there are different sellers in the market which are selling the product which are close substitute to each other. Hence, it also get a feeling of competition.